Here's your view from the kitchen. I thought you might like to see the electrician destroying your house. He's cutting a hole for an outlet. So I said, hi, I'm the realtor. He said, hi, I'm the electrician, about ready to knock out some bricks. Anyway, this is the breakfast area I'm standing in. That's your view in the morning. It's really, we picked a great location. You picked a great location. Here's the kitchen, really looking good. The sink is in, as you can see. Looks great. The outlets are on the columns for you. And what I really wanted to show you was the tile. I really like it. You guys did a great job. They must have torn up some of the, but there's your tile. And it really looks great with the fireplace. You did a great job. So, it looks pretty good in here. I'm not happy about the brickwork, but I just wanted you to see the inside of the house. Let's go upstairs.